Okay, the next discussion will be measuring the property risk. Okay, actual cash value is the replacement cost of asset minus the depreciation amount over the period of the cover. So basically, from the actual cash value, so we take the replacement cost minus the depreciation of the property. This term is in the property insurance policy, thus limiting the liability of the insurer issuing the document. So what you mean by the replacement cost? The replacement cost is the cost required by the client to replace or repair the damaged property for most personal property, like for example, our residential property, investment property, okay, and other property, those like office, okay, building, okay. So the replacement cost is equivalent to the current market price. The value of the replacement cost of real property is often determined by the appraiser appointed by the insurer, and then the appraiser will evaluate so what is the replacement cost from the current market. Okay, the next one will be the depreciation. The depreciation is the reduction of the value of the asset due to the wear and tear, which depends on the condition at the time of the loss and age of the asset. So other factors that contribute to the deterioration of asset are also considered in determining the depreciation amount. So in short, the longer of the building, basically the depreciation value will be high. The next one, we were going to discuss how to measure the liability risk. Okay, the next liability risk of an individual is assumed to be one of low limit. Dispute involving the quantification of liability risk is determined by the legal court. So the court will take all facts of the case to fix the quantum. Quantum awarded can be vary from a few dollars to $1 million. Maximum amount of possible liability loss is equal to an individual personal wealth. So for the practical purposes, experience and precedent cases are used to determine the coverage.